stop at home. Good morning, students. And today we are going to start our class. Okay. So I hope all of you can listen me. Now mute your microphones and cameras so that I can interact with you properly. Okay. So, okay. Aishwarya is there. Anurag is there. Very good. Sanskita is there. Okay, very nice. Okay, come on, let's start our class now. So, already we have learned the use of articles, use of preposition in, on. Now, after learning where to use I and where to use you, there is a very important part that has and that is related with your next chapter, and I have to relate that this topic with that chapter, that is gender. Now, what is gender? Gender means usually we find two. Okay, usually I told usually we divide gender into two, that is male and female. Now, male means boy and female means girl. Okay, so male, female. So here male is boy, okay, and female is girl. Okay, so here is male, here is female. Boy, girl. Boys are male and girls are female. Okay, so first of all, boy, okay, girl. Now, if I tell you that your father, okay, your father is male or female, then what you will say? Yes, you are shouting, ma'am, he is a male, right? Yes. Then what is your mother? She is a male or female? She is a female. So, she should be placed over here under the category of female. So, here comes father, mother, father, mother. Okay. So, here is the two section where male, we are dividing male and female. We are learning gender. So, boy, this is boy who is male, girl who is female. Now, father is male whereas mother is female. Next comes, if I talk about your grandfather, then what is your grandfather? Yes, your grandfather is also male. So, grandfather is male. So, let us write down grandfather. Grandfather. And what is your grandmother? What is your grandmother? She is female. Very good. I am getting some answers also. But first, students, I would request you, now I am not questioning you. You just see my explanation first and then after we will do our question answer session. Okay. So, this is female. Your grandmother is female. So, we will write here grandmother. Okay. So, here is grandfather, here is grandmother, here is father, here is mother. Now comes the next one. Can you tell me who is this? Now you tell me, come on, type your answer in the chat box. Who is this? Come on. So, let me see who can answer this one. Who is this? So where is the answer? He is a male and this one is a king. This one is the king. Yes. This is a king. Okay. Now what is the feminine gender of king? Now the female one is known as queen. What she is called? Queen. So king, queen. King is a male person, whereas queen is a very good. Ashmita, very nice. And queen is a female person. So here comes queen. So male, these are all male and these are all female. Even the males are, again when you will go towards the upward class, that is in primary section, this male will pronounced as masculine and female will be pronounced as feminine. So let us learn first male and female. So boy is a male, girl is a female, father is male, whereas mother is female, grandfather is male, grandmother is female, king is male, queen is female, right? Okay. Now as we are having human beings, in the same way, if we are considering brother, if I consider this boy as brother, then brother is male or female? Brother is male or female, students? Brother is male or female? Very good. I got Tathagata's answer. Tathagata is the first one. Very good. So if we consider this boy, it's brother. Yes, brother. And then what is the feminine gender of brother? Then what should be this girl? This girl, brother. What will be the feminine gender? Then if I can, yes, very good. I got one answer from Shrijan. Shrijan answered me sister. So if he is brother, then this becomes sister. So brother's feminine gender of brother is sister. Now next, if I consider this person now as uncle, if he is uncle, then what will be she? What will be she? Come on. Now what? Yes, very good. And who is this? NS. Who is this NS? Okay, Atri. Very nice, Atri. Is okay, Shresthanam. And its answer is what? Yes, it's aunt. A-U-N-T, aunt. So uncle, aunt. Now if we consider, come on, the next part, that is now, if it is for animals, like if we consider in animals also, they are having male and female. Like if I take this one, then you just tell me what is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? What is this? I am waiting for your answers. What is this? Come on. Just I want upper answer. একটা উপরে spelling mistake গেছে. Yes. Who is this? UNTY. Aishwarya. Aishwarya Chatterjee, your auntie spelling is wrong, beta. Rectify your spelling. Your auntie spelling is wrong. Okay. So Yes, Aishwarya, I got your correct answer. Okay, so everyone told this one is hen. And last answer I received from one of my students. What is that? Hen, male? Niche. No, last. Yes, who is this? Rudraditya. Rudraditya, hen male, has given the answer hen male. So now I want to clear it. It is not hen. It is not hen. It's rooster or cock. It's rooster. Okay, that is boy cock. It's a male cock. So it is rooster. Rooster. This is called boy cock. Okay, it's a male cock. Male. Cock or rooster is male. Whereas the feminine gender is hen. Feminine gender is hen. So here comes hen. So the male gender is rooster and the feminine gender is hen. Okay, I hope now everyone is clear about that one. Yes, so this one is rooster, this one is hen. Next comes, can anyone tell me what is this? Come on, now the camera is very clear for all of you. So what is this? Who will answer me? What is this? So I am waiting for your answers, all of you. Let's start. What is this? Someone is typing and it's Shrestha. Shrestha is typing her answer. It's cow. Shrestha has given the answer cow. Let's see. I want some more answers. Tathagato has given the answer cow. Priyam, okay, everyone. And that one? Yes. Ashmita. Ashmita has given some different answer, that is ox. Yes, it's a male, so it is known as ox or bull. Ox or bull. Okay, and the feminine gender, the female cow, this is called cow. She is known as cow. Cow. Okay, so the male one is ox, the male one is ox and the or bull, whereas the female is cow. Understood? So this was the male and this was the female. And why I have taught you gender, this is not in your book, but it is related to a chapter which we are going to do next. And if you will not understand these parts, that is known as gender, it won't be easy or possible for you and me to proceed towards that chapter. Okay, so before doing that chapter, which is depend on pronoun, which is on pronoun actually, we have to learn gender part. And so we learned today male, female. So let's once more we should do the revision of this part and let us see. If I say, now I am going to just stick the pictures and you will tell me who are these, and I am going to write somewhere. So let's start. Okay, so now as you know, male means boy and female means girl, right? Now you tell me, if it is animal like tiger, what will be the female gender of tiger? Come on all of you. What will be the female gender of tiger? Shashmit, what are you doing? Who is this chatting? You. Okay. Shashmit, we cannot see you on the screen. Come before the screen, Shashmit. Okay, so I got the first answer from Ashmita, Shrijan. Yes, Shrestha, Shashmit, Atri, very good. Very nice, Tathagata, Priyam. Okay, very good. The correct answer is tigress. And the correct answer is tigress. Now if we go for lion, okay, so if we go for lion, what is the female gender of lion? Let us see the answers from the students. Let me see, I will select the first one only. Let's see who is the first one, and the first one is Shrestha Nag. Very good, Shrestha, very good. So it is lion, oh sorry, Srijan, Shrestha and Srijan. Okay, second one is Srijan. So it's lioness, lioness. Okay, so male is tiger, female is tigress, male is lion, female is lioness. Now if I go for gander, so what is the feminine gender of gander? Now Shrestha is typing her answer. Okay, spelling is wrong, Shrestha. Ashmita, so I am taking Ashmita's answer, though Shrestha has given the first answer but the spelling is wrong. Ashmita has given the correct answer and it is goose. Very good. So it's goose. So tiger, tigress, lion, lioness, gander, goose. Okay. So these were the genders we learned today, and just once I will do the revision, that is boy, girl, father, mother, uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandfather, grandmother, grandmother, then after, yes, bull, cow, whatever we learned today, bull, cow, rooster, hen, and next was tiger, tigress, lion, lioness, disconnected, lioness, and last one was gander and goose. So students, I would tell you to learn this part properly, those who have still not learned, along with the spellings, and next day in your next class we are going to do something which is related to gender. Okay, thank you, and just wait for your next class.